guys, this is beautiful. Wow, this is so good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about healthy living, amazing food recipes and meal prepping ideas. And this is a fun place for you if you're looking out for healthy recipes and of course to improve your cooking skills. This is the right channel for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and you can also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, we are going to be preparing some Swedish banana bread, also known as Bananakaka. If you haven't seen some of our banana bread recipe, please go through our channel. It's all there for you. We have amazing banana bread recipe for you. But today we are going to be making banana bread the Swedish way. Normally, it's basically the same process, but there are some additions and some things that the Swedish people actually like to add to their banana bread, and they have a way of actually baking it. So we're going to be doing that today. To the best of my knowledge, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact ingredients, the exact method that the Swedish people actually use to make banana bread. So if you're excited as I am, because I love banana bread a lot and I've been seeing all your comments, thank you so much. Please like and share this video, where we go straight into the kitchen where I show you how to make Swedish banana bread. So these are the basic ingredients. It's actually like the same thing. The only thing that is added to this recipe is coffee. As if you know any Swedish person or you know things about Sweden, they love coffee a lot. So I wasn't surprised when I found out that they actually add coffee to the banana bread, and I actually want to see what it's going to taste like. So basic thing, we have our butter. I have about 100 grams of butter here, and I have 2 eggs. I have some breadcrumbs. That is another addition, and I'm going to tell you the reason why they use breadcrumbs. It's actually to coat the baking pan after using some butter. We also have overripe bananas. Now this is the secret to banana bread. It has to be overripe. The bananas need to be overripe. We're going to follow the same process with our banana bread recipe, but this one, the Swedish banana bread, it comes with a twist, and I'm going to show you how. We have some baking powder. We also have some sugar. Oh, sorry. We have baking soda, and we have our flour and vanilla extract. So let's go straight into the recipe. So you're going to get your bowl, and we're going to put in our butter. Just like that. So the Swedish banana bread is more like a cake. That is why it is called Bananakaka, meaning banana cake. That is the way the Swedish see banana bread. They actually see it as more like a cake than a bread. So I'm going to be adding some sugar. All the measurements will be in the description box and also on the screen. I'm going to add the sugar here. I do not like much sugar, so I'm going to reduce the quantity of that sugar. And now we are going to whisk this. If you do not have something to whisk, you can do it manually. So I'm going to plug this here. Where are you? Now that we have this kind of texture, we're going to add our 2 eggs, but you're not going to put in the 2 eggs at once. You're going to break in 1 egg and then whisk and add the 2nd egg. So I'm just going to put in 1 egg here, and we're going to add the 2nd egg, but before that you can push the mixture downwards like this. Now that we have this kind of consistency, as you can see, we're going to mash our banana and add it in here with other wet ingredients. So I'm going to set this aside, and this is our banana. We're going to mash this. You can see that the banana is really ripe. This is the secret to banana bread. It must be very, very ripe. You're going to mash your banana. Make sure that it is well mashed. This banana bread can comfortably serve 6 people according to portion control. Not some of you saying, one slice of banana bread is not enough for me. We'll put in our mashed banana inside the mixture of the butter and sugar. Put the mashed banana in there. If you can mash this more than this, please do. And I'm going to stir this together. Now you're going to add some vanilla extract. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon, which is about 2 of the cup. Stir this. Time to put in our flour, so I'm going to put in the flour gradually. You're not to put the flour all at once. So just sieve in this. I'm using 2 cups of flour for this recipe. And once you sieve in some, you're going to stir just like this. I'm going to stir in some more flour. Sieve in some more flour. And here I'm going to add the baking powder and the baking soda. Now you stir. The mixture should not be so watery, and it also shouldn't be too thick. So you should be able to pour it into a pan. Okay, so that's the idea of banana bread. So it's time for us to put in our coffee. So we're going to add a little bit of water here to just get a coffee mixture, and you pour it in here. Spoon. I'm going to add some water here, and I'm going to mix this. I can't wait to try this banana bread, honestly, because I'm just trying to imagine the flavor that the coffee is going to give to this bread. Let's add a little bit of water. I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water for this, so you have to be careful so that your banana bread will not be too watery. So once we've mixed this properly, we're going to pour it into our mixture. Wow, okay, let's see how this is going to turn out. You're going to mix that. Wow. You can still add some more, and that is okay. You stir again. Wow, our mixture is here. And now we're going to get our pan. This is called a bunt pan. Since we're making traditional Swedish banana bread, they usually use this kind of pan, you know, the one that has this hole in the middle. You can use your regular pan, anyone that is okay with you, but I'm going to butter my pan first. And while you're doing this, make sure that you've preheated your oven to about 175 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to butter my pan right now. Butter every corner. I kind of like the design on this pan. So butter the pan, and we are going to add some breadcrumbs. So the idea why the Swedish actually add breadcrumbs is they say that it gives the bread a very nice texture on the outside. So we are going to follow what they said because we are trying out their recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to put some breadcrumbs in here, and let's see the magic. And we're going to pour in our mixture. So you make sure that it fills all parts of the pan. So you're going to make sure that this fills all parts of the pan everywhere. Time to put this in the oven. We're going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. So our Swedish banana bread is ready, and this is what it looks like. You're going to allow this to cool down before turning it over. Okay, it looks so good, guys. Oh my god, this is looking really good. It's actually looking more like cake. I think now I understand why they call it cake instead of bread. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because you're going to learn a lot of recipes here. We're going to just turn this over like this, just like this. Exactly. And then we're going to just take it out gently. That's the reason why it's important for it to cool down before you take it out. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So now we're going to, we're going to make this look more beautiful. I'm going to add some powdered sugar just for some decoration. Okay, the powdered sugar around, just to add some beauty to our Swedish banana bread. So if you live in Sweden or you're a Swede and you're watching this video, please tell me, how did I do? Have you tried it before? Just tell me. This is looking so beautiful. Oh my god, I love the design on that pan. Like, that design is so good. Now it's time for us to have a cut and see what the inside of the cake looks like. And here as well. This is so good. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and tell me if you're going to be trying the Swedish banana bread. One thing I really love about cooking is variety and trying out different foods from different countries, the method of preparation, the things that they add to it. So I would advise that you really try this banana bread recipe from Sweden. Yeah. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not purchased my dinner recipe book, the link is in the description box. Kindly download. It's just for $2 or 976 naira, and that recipe book is amazing. We have over 7 dinner recipes there for you. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Kindly stay safe and of course stay healthy. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I love you guys.